Everyone, if you've been looking to start a business this 2024 or before magtapos itong 2024, I invite you to explore Active Life Chicago PT Clinics. We're selling established and operational clinics right now. Kung saan mag-walk-in ka na, mag-invest ka ng pera, you walk in, you manage it. May mga pasyente na, may mga staff na. All you have to do is continue the management and operations of the clinic. The clinic starts at 600,000. So if you're looking to invest in a business, healthcare business is booming. Hindi kagaya ng mga food business na maraming kompetensya, marami kang kalaban, maraming rekados, maraming kailangang bilhin. Ang hirap. At the same time, yung respeto ng mga tao sa iyo, mas respetable ka kung meron kang healthcare business, meron kang clinic kasi mas nakakatulong ka sa tao. Now, we offer a unique approach sa back pain, knee pain, shoulder pain na kami lang gumagawa sa buong Pilipinas. If you want to know more, please contact Alan or Kuya Vic. They would give you some details about it. And if you're really interested, give us a call.